Today I'm gonna show you how not to take a bed off your truck and put it back on. I'm gonna cut the timing down and probably about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just like that, we're gonna be going through a lap time, get you guys through the fast and boring part. Peace. It's actually not how to take your bed off your truck, the wrong or right way of replace it. Basically, I was putting in some drop shackles and replacing my shocks with air shocks so I can adjust the air ride when I'm towing with my other toys. But got a little carried away. I looked at the frame; it was pretty decent, but I ended up sanding it down and repainting the frame, making it a little better, a little decent, and led from one thing to another. And now I'm here without a motor horse or any help. Me solo by myself taking the bed off. And you see I struggle at some points, but hey, you live and you learn. It's my first time. I'm very mechanical inclined, but anybody can do it.
Yeah, slightly to the left turn there, but very much 6 a.m. Slightly been awake for 24 hours, so please forgive me. More ideas and stuff coming. Yeah, I'm waffling, but I'm tired and Jesus Christ. Yeah, slightly to the left turn there, but very much 6 a.m. Slightly been awake for 24 hours, so please forgive me. More ideas and stuff coming. Yeah, I'm waffling, but I'm tired and Jesus Christ.